Keeping your cryptocurrency safe, you're going to need a Ledger Nano S. That's right. I have the Ledger Nano X and I upgraded it because this is more safe and even more secure. When you get this by clicking on the link below, download the Ledger Live so you can be access to everything on the platform. So this is what it looks like. This is the unboxing of the Ledger Nano S. Looks really cool, real slick. And as well, it's got information in here, don't worry about it. And I'm Adam Shelton, the captain's here to give you a little bit of an unboxing. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, so this is what it comes with. It comes with the cords. What happens is you can connect this to your desktop, laptop, or tablet where you can be access to your Ledger Nano S when you download the Ledger Live. And as well, let me see, you get this as well. Look at this. Got a little ring to it. One ring will survive all into your security in Ledger Nano S. Anyway, okay, it's a little joke there. So then it has a little tablet here. Hello. And this is just information, talks about the Ledger Nano S and how to hook it up. It's also keep things secure as well. Now on the back of this, what I do like, it does give you some information about the Ledger Nano S and why you should have it. So the best protection for your private key with certified secure element. So you definitely want to keep your favorite crypto safe and secure for scammers and people who want your crypto. But I don't want your crypto. I want it safe and secure with the Ledger Nano S. Now, one of the best things I like about this is you can install 3 to 6 applications on your device and easily manage your favorite crypto. Ledger Nano S supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. So it's definitely adding more assets. It's over about 1,500 assets that's on the Ledger Nano S. So you may be able to find your favorite one on there. So just go ahead and look for that. You'll be able to see that when you download the Ledger Live. The Ledger Live, so you'll be able to see that as well. So what I want you to do, click on the link below, check out the Ledger Nano S, keep things safe and secure for the rest of this year and beyond. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain speaking, and I'll see you on the next video.